I'll get your bag. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you gotta move. Today's flashback story takes place 1/25/1996 at 1 o'clock in the morning. A bulldozer that was parked inside the fence at the Brockton Fairground was started up by somebody who then put it into gear and let it go and jumped off. The bulldozer crashed through the fence and then crossed Route 123. It went through a gas station and flattened a gas pump. It flattened the rear end of the car that was parked at 129 Winnifred Street, then went another 20 or 30 feet, hitting a tree that was directly in front of 129 Winnifred Street. John and Adele Kilroy, who lived at 129, heard the rumbling and jumped out of bed, got dressed, believe it or not, came out and saw the bulldozer with its treads spinning and its front blade up against the tree, which had been pushed now into the house. Brockton police and Brockton fire responded. They found a person that knew how to drive a large bulldozer, and that person got behind the controls and took the bulldozer back to the Brockton Fairground. It's speculated that if the tree didn't stop the bulldozer in front of the house, the bulldozer either would have pushed the house off the foundation or it would have crashed into the house. In either case, it would have dropped down into the basement where heating fuel is stored, and the house probably would have gone up in a ball of flame. Well, anyhow, that's our flashback story for today. If you like these stories, click the like button, and also you might want to subscribe so you'll be updated when I put up new videos. To see the actual video of this event, click on the link below and that'll take you right to the video. Well, anyhow, keep the rubber side down, stay safe out there. Remember, there's danger everywhere. And also, remember, I'll be back.